Hey guys, Jeremy here, and today we're checking out this beer can chicken roaster. Now, this was sent to me at no charge for this review, and we're not going to be putting it in the barbecue with charcoal. That would be the way to go, but we're just going to do it inside in the oven. So what we're going to have here is this tray, and you should probably put another tray underneath it if you're doing it in the oven for a drip tray. So the way this is going to work is you're going to take this part, the chicken's going to go over the top of this. And then there's also going to be either a can of beer, can of soda, whatever liquid you want to use inside here that is going to steam and then penetrate through the skin of the chicken and just kind of really give it a good flavor. So we're just going to pop this in here just like this. So what Coke is going to do is give it just a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. You could also put some onions in here, some garlic, some other seasonings and flavorings if you'd like to. We've got our chicken seasoned up pretty good, and so we're just going to leave it how it is, just like that. Look at that guy, just kind of hanging out. Oh, we got plenty of room there. There we go, just like that. And we'll be back in about 2 hours. All right, that's what she looks like coming right out of the oven. Looks absolutely amazing. I've already temped and she reaches 165. Good to eat. So we're going to go ahead, let her cool for a minute, and then enjoy our supper.